Yeah, guys, I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my page, Defiant Gains. We're doing an update on Cartel game. It was a play to earn game on the AVAX blockchain. Um, the token price has gone down a lot dramatically. That's the new thing with Cartel game or just play to earn games in general. These forks, they tend to start out high and they just tend to sink, right? But I'm not sure exactly what happened over here. It was like a slight bump in price, but it didn't really matter because it went down so much. People just play these games and they want a ROI very fast. So I mean, you can't blame them. Who wants to be stuck with these NFTs that has no absolute value after the game has done died out? As you can see, I still got my 10 farmers. I actually left them. I didn't unstake them. I just wanted to max out the product that I was producing. See, it's gone down drastically down to 3.23 from a fresh off the resting. It's probably was about like 12, maybe 13 per minute. Now it's gone to 3 because they're at like what 76% fatigue, which is, I mean, it is what it is. A lot of people, like I said, you don't want to be stuck holding an NFT that's useless. All right. So when I saw that the price was decreasing, I just had to like start working on my ROI. Who wants to play a game and for a loss? And it's unfortunate because crypto is a wonderful thing, and you just wish that these play to earn games will last longer. Like the maximum like profit taken or gain plays like about 1 week, and that's Pizza Game did that. And it's funny because these are like a fork of pizza games, so you just want to know why these things are starting to die out quicker than usual. All right, I mean, if you have the answer to that question, or an answer where we can change that and fix that, please leave a comment below and let the devs know, like what's on your mind and how can we make these play the games better. And I did try the diesel pump stick LP. It was moving real slow, but it was actually moving. I wanted to buy the first the first skill tree, which was quality chemicals. As I was working toward this goal, just like I said, the price of cocaine was just taking a tanking. So I end up breaking the LP after like 2 days and putting that back into AVEX and cocaine and just continue there playing the game. Like I said, it's very unfortunate that these games don't last so long. I wish they would, but it is what it is. Like, there has to be some sort of way to make these things, actually just make it more fun and just make it last long. That's the thing with these play to earn games. I know a lot of people want play to earn to go mainstream with other big brands, but how can we combat the system where it's not all about making profits and enjoying the game? It's kind of sounds like crazy because we all in crypto is to make profits. So I'm just like lost. I'm just like doing some research for myself to see how these play that game can we how can we prolong these protocols. All right. So another problem was with this, the cost to unstake these farmers were like ridiculous. To be honest, it's ridiculous to unstake and to stake. Staking is part of the game, right? So the fee was like about hey, for example, let's try to unstake this, right? The fee was about like $15, $20 to unstake. The last time I did it, that's when I know, like, okay, so it's 0.08. Let's see how much is that right now. At the time, AVAX is 86.41, 0.08. All right, right now it's not so bad. $6, almost $7, right? But still, do you want to pay that much just to unstake your tokens being at what price this thing is at right now? No, right? So all these factors is contributing to the game just dying out. All right. So but like I said, if you know a strategy or a way where these games could actually pump for longer, then leave a comment below and let me know. All right. Because I like the thought of play to earn games on crypto, you know? So that's it for today's video. I mean, I'm not sure if I'm gonna jump into another play to earn game anytime soon, you know. Like I said, DeFi is fun, but let's make it more fun. All right. Let's think of new strategies. All right, that's enough for today's video.